Hello guys, today's cars have a keyless entry. That will say that the key is sending radio frequencies to the car. This can be picked up by the modern thieves, and they use something called a relay attack. Then this company from Poland has invented a very nice thing, which I will show you now. Inside this nice box there is a little tiny... This tiny little thing will wrap around your battery in the remote, like this. And after 3 minutes, it will cut the power to the battery, which again means that this remote will not send any radio signals to the car. And the modern thieves with this relay attack suitcases will not be able to pick up the signal either. This is a very nice invention. Let me show you how this is working on your battery. On the little tiny ship piece here with all this golden foil on, there is a plus and there is a minus, I hope. Yes, we can see it here maybe. And you wrap that around your battery with the plus side up here and the minus on the bottom. Really nice and fits most batteries, which I will list in the side here, on the side. And then you just slide it in. Nothing special, nothing hocus pocus, and it will looks like this when you are done. Now, this one will now sense motion. As long as this is motion, it will stay on. But as soon as you put it down and leave it for 3 minutes, it will cut the power to the ship on the remote. So when the remote is powerless, it cannot transmit signals, so the thief cannot relay attack your car with this one. So let's see how that works. Okay, it has now been 3 minutes, so if you are very careful, and hopefully the blue light will not light up. No light, no light, no light, and just it. And there we go, blue light. It's working excellent. Here we can see that there are two versions of this one. The on motion version is the one I got, which cuts the power after 3 minutes of not touching it, and it will wake up as soon as you touch it or move it. There's also a version called on tap. It will cut the power after 30 steps, and to wake it up you need to tap it with a double tap gesture. That is good to know when you're ordering it, because you will get questions about that. Here you can see all the cars that is. There's an installation video showing you. Let's try the Tesla, which is a typical car to steal. Then you get into this video and you can click it and you will see. If we take a look at their website, it will look like this. And there you will find two versions. These light versions, which are over here, this is the microchip built inside of the battery. So here you have the foil and here you have the built-in battery. And you can see a quick introduction how to do it, relay attack, new modern thieves which steals cars without keys and without any mechanical tools. So, okay, the installations we have looked at, you have a lot of maintenance free, like a Faraday cage, but it's not since you have cut the power. But the interesting thing here is when you want to buy this one, you can click secure now to secure the car, or here if you like. And here you have it. Here you can see the price in euros. Yep. And there's a lot of videos you can watch, which I can recommend because they are really good. And here is the important thing regarding the batteries. You have two types. KP20, which is the one I get, which has this CR2032, and you have the KP206, which has the bigger batteries, 24 millimeters. Mine was 20 millimeters. Here you also have the keyless light with the built-in chip inside the battery. When you order this one, and after you have paid for it, you will get a message from them that you need to state which kind of battery you have, and as well as the car, I think it was. There you also can choose between the two versions. In this box you will find this nice chip battery protector, but there is also a plastic bag, and in this plastic bag there are some nice things. Let me see. There are some very tiny pads, foam pads. This is to use if the battery is loose, I think, in the remote, so you can add this by the double CD type and make it tight and nice. There is also some copper foil. Let me see if I can open this one for you. This is for use if your remote controller has a bad contact somehow. Then you can enhance the contact by using this one, by gluing this one on over here. And it's the same on the other side. So this one will carry current if I manage to open it. And here we go. Copper foil on each side. This can be reused as many times as you like, I have read. It's not glue on them. Well, it's a tiny bit of glue, but you can reuse it if you need it. On my car, on my key, this was not necessary. Okay guys, there you have it. This amazingly nice battery wrapping thing for your car keys. No car theft anymore if you have this one. Thanks for watching guys. Hope to see you again in the next one. Goodbye.